I'm making a super easy recipe for classic Greek tzatziki sauce, except instead of cucumbers, I'm going to use a carrot. We need good Greek yogurt, a fresh carrot. Everyone knows tzatziki, Greek tzatziki sauce as a combination of yogurt, cucumbers, garlic, dill, olive oil. But that's actually a version you want to make only in the summertime when cucumbers are in season. Carrot is something that you can make when it's cooler weather. The next thing up is to chop the garlic, and you can make this as garlicky or as mild as you like. And you want to clean off the leaves from the stems. For just half a cupful. And there we have it. Get a little olive oil over the top. Have a little bit of carrot left. It's time to taste the tzatziki with carrots. And I have carob flour paximadia, basically hardtack or rusk. This is great when you have company for a buffet, as a little appetizer in the beginning. It's a real winner, a Greek tzatziki with carrots.